To cancel Amazon Prime Video membership. Welcome back. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you cancel Amazon Prime Video membership. In order to do it, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So here's how you do it. So first of all, open up your browser and go to primevideo.com, or you could simply go to amazon.primevideo.com. When you go to the primevideo.com, then here you simply want to click on the profile initials, or first of all try logging in and click the profile initials from the top right. Then you will need to go and click on account and settings, after which you will then be able to see this section that is account and settings. Sometimes you might be asked to log in once again, so you want to do that as well, and you will then be directed to this page. After you do it, so at the bottom you could see your membership. Now currently I do not have any subscription to Prime Video, so the interface will be quite different. But if you already have a Prime Video subscription, then you could see your payment details or your payment method. You simply want to click that out, and you could also find this option as cancel or end the Prime Video subscription, all that, something familiar. You want to click that out and follow the on-screen prompt in order to cancel it. And once you actually confirm it, you'll have successfully cancelled Amazon Prime Video membership. This is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.